I'm on now. Throw it up for her.
Bella, what's this?
Bella, come and get it. Belle, come here. Throw it up in the air for a fry. So she can get it. Good girl. You can do it again.
Don't eat the old snowball. Oh.
Don't throw it too far so that she can actually get it. Nearly, Belle. One more and then I'll turn off the video. Make sure she gets this one. Get Belle. Get Belle.